Hi, it's Susan from SNAP-Ed. Sometimes it can feel stressful or tricky to cook a healthy meal for the family. That's why today we're going to be cooking a healthy one-dish meal in 30 minutes or less. Our recipe? Quick chili. What you'll need: a half a pound of lean ground meat. I'm going to be using beef. Make sure your meat is about 85 to 15%. So that's 85% lean and 15% fat. You'll need one medium onion. You'll need 15 ounces of kidney beans, two 15-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and any extra vegetables you prefer to add. When picking out your kidney beans or any other vegetables that might be in cans, if possible, make sure to choose low sodium or no salt added to reduce the salt intake. Like many other recipes, quick chili makes it easy to hide extra vegetables from those picky eaters. Today, I'm adding zucchini, carrot, some frozen corn, a red bell pepper, and cumin to our recipe. Okay, I'm about to go wash my hands, I'll prep my vegetables, and then we'll be ready to throw everything together. First, we're going to brown the meat in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Make sure to drain any extra fat. Next, you can add any vegetables you choose to use. I'm adding in an onion, zucchini, shredded carrots, some frozen corn, and chopped up bell pepper. Once the vegetables are cooked through, add one 15-ounce can of kidney beans, 2 15-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, no salt added, and the spices. I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of cumin. Reduce the heat to low and then stir, cover, and cook for about 10 minutes to allow the flavors to marinate. After 10 minutes has passed, turn off the heat, remove the lid, and give it a good stir. This dish is best served warm. You can eat it as is, or serve over some shredded cabbage, like I am, or sprinkle some cheese on top. Just make sure to refrigerate any leftovers within 2 hours to ensure food safety.